Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Story Time for February 3rd, 2025, Part 1. Today's theme is Unity. We're Better Together, a book about community by Eileen Spinelli, illustrated by Ekaterina Truckin. We're better together when we play. We take turns on the swings, play circle games, and tag. Together we have more fun when everyone joins in. We're better together when someone spills. We get the paper towels and the mop. Together we clean up as quickly as we can. We're better together when our neighbor is sick. We bring soup over and feed her cat. Together we show how much we care. We're better together when something is lost. We look everywhere, under the table, behind the chair. Together we search until someone says, "There you are, fuzzy blanket." We're better together in arts and crafts. Each of us is better at different things. Some are good at letters, some are good at drawing, some are good at painting pictures. Together we create a masterpiece. We're better together at making music when someone beats the drum, when someone blows the horn, when someone shakes the tambourine. Together we play a song that gets everyone moving. We're better together when we clean up by the water. We pick up cans, plastic bags, and other litter. Together we make it safe for the ducks and the fish. We're better together when we see people who need help. We pick up a teddy bear, a rattle, and a book. Together we send our neighbors on their way. We're better together when it's thundering. Crash, boom! We huddle under the kitchen table, all cozy and snug. Together we hold hands till the storm passes by. We're better together when someone needs a bath. We help fill up the tub with sudsy bubbles. Together we wash and splash until we are squeaky clean. We're better together when it's time for sleep. Even though we're in our own beds, we're joined in our hearts. Together we wish good things for all the world. What if we could make the world a better place by working together? What do you think would happen? We can all find ways to take turns, chip in, share, and love one another. There are more ways to be part of a community than you might imagine. How do you work together? I shoveled snow off my neighbor's sidewalk. Walter, age 6. I helped clear the table without being asked. Tucker, age 5. I share my pencil. Allie, age 6. I said good game to the other team when they won. Martin, age 6. I let someone use my coat because they were cold. Anastasia, age 6. My knitting group makes and donates cozy hats for newborns. My husband and I support our community theater and collect new socks for the homeless. We love our potluck picnics when everyone brings a favorite dish. Eileen Spinelli. The end. We're going to make a unity wreath, and all you need for this craft is your Craft to Go kit, which is your unity wreath. I got these from orientaltrading.com. And what we're going to do is we're going to open this up, and the first thing we're going to pull out is the instructions. It shows you how to do it. It says the first thing we're going to do is tie the cords onto the wreath, and then tie the heart onto the center of the wreath. And then we use the sticky things. It has these adhesive rectangles to attach all the hands around the wreath. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the heart aside. And it came with a special sticky for the unity. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on. You have to peel off both sides. So peel off one side, stick it to the center or thereabouts. Pull off the other piece of paper. And you're going to center unity on there. Then I'm going to tie the cord to the top. If I can get it through the hole, that is. Tie it in a little knot. I'm going to try to do a little square knot. Right over left, then left over right. Square knot. And that seems to be pretty snug. Then there's a second hole here. I'm gonna might need to punch it out. You'll put your second string through there. And you put the string through the hole in the heart. It's starting to fray a bit. I'm going to tie another square knot in that. Let's see how far it hangs. We want it about center. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick my hands around. There's the unity hanging down. And see how it hangs. And the hands just go all around. I'm going to mix them up. This. Just gonna lay them all out. And it looks like I'm going to have some extra hands. That is okay. You can save those for another project. So the only thing I need to do is take these little rectangles and attach them to the wreath, then peel it off and put the hand on. I'm just going to go around and do that. So I'm not going to make you watch me do that. I'm going to put this on pause and then I'll come back when it's all done. All right, I'm all done sticking them on. And I do have a few extra little stickies because I had the extra hands. I'm just going to save those for another project. And this is what it looks like. It's spinning on me. Oh no. Okay. There we go. And that is our unity wreath.